we interrupt this program to bring you
Nuisance
Previously on Techmoan Puppets.
Okay, I've got a real question. What's for dinner? Fish and chips.
Now back to the show.
Lol.
Hey, hold on a minute. You've invited me round for us tea, but I can't smell anything cooking.
Oh, really?
Oh, I forgot to mention. We're getting a
Disgusting!
pizza delivered.
Oh, hi, Mark.
Yes, unfortunately the cooker's broken.
Oh, Kuka! That's a callback to an earlier episode. That's how everyone spoke where I was brought up. You cook in a hook, and you hang a coat on a oven.
The hell is that?
So anyway, what pizza do you want?
Hey, boss.
Yes.
Let me get that motherfucking pizza boneless.
Well, now that is just plain wrong.
This meme fucking sucks.